Welcome, today I'm showing how to hide photos into a gallery in your Xiaomi 12 Pro. Firstly, open your gallery standard application on this device, this one. And now, got it. So now choose your photos, maybe this one, this, and press and hold to select. And now on the bottom we got add to album. Tap it and choose private album. To view the items you made be private, swipe down in albums. Tap OK. And now need log in into a Xiaomi cloud. So tap next. Choose your albums to sync. So maybe this one on the camera. OK, tap sync in with my account. And now need login with phone number or Facebook or Google. I'm logging with my Google account. So read and agree. So tap Google. Wait a second for login. Now need to set up privacy protection password, maybe this one, and one more time to confirm, and tap next. Click not now, and tap OK. Next. Here choose use this folder, allow, and now once again. These two photos, press to select, choose, tap add to album on the bottom, and choose private album. And tap OK. And added successfully, so got it. And go into our album. And now press and hold and drag to bottom. And here we got message release to open private folder. Tap OK. Cancel. And now enter your protection password. And here we got our hidden photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.